I am here to help, to protect my village. Even the smallest hands deserve clean water. I'll carry it for them. Together, we can rebuild, stronger than before. For you, Mother. Everything I do for you. I watch over my home, and I will not let it fall. Every burden I carry is a chance to make life easier for others. Step by step, together, we can cross any obstacle. Hard work turns broken things into hope, and I will not stop. Don't worry, help is coming. You're safe with me. A home is built with love and strength, and I carry both. These small acts, they carry hope for everyone. Nature may block our way, but we rise together. Stay calm. I've got this under control. Water flows. Life flows. I will make sure it reaches all. Look at what we've built together. This is our pride. Step by step, wall by wall, we rise again. No creature will be left behind. Everyone matters. Every child deserves a chance, and I will deliver it. Family is my heart. I will carry their burdens with mine.
Laughter will grow here. I'll make sure it echoes every day.
Power comes not from strength alone, but from helping all. Hold on. Help is near. You are safe with me. Even small efforts make big changes. Let's keep going. This is more than a building. It is a future. Each block we lift builds hope for everyone.
Your dreams are safe with me. Together we will grow.
Nothing can block our way. Not when we work together. From here I see all we protect. I will not let it fade. Step by step, together we shield our home. Knowledge is a gift, and I will deliver it safely. See what hard work and care can build? This is our achievement. We lift together. We succeed together. No one is too small. Everyone deserves protection.
Laughter and joy. That is the true strength of a home.
A bridge connects hearts, as well as places. Sharing what we have strengthens everyone. I stand tall, not alone, but with all of you. This is our village, our home, and I will always be here. Care and strength together, nothing can stop us.